Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Instagram chat themes change option not showing on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to change the theme of your Instagram chat, but you're not any option something like that. So let's see how can you easily fix that issue. First of all, you have to make sure that you have the latest version of your Instagram. So open your App Store or Play Store, and here you have to search for Instagram, and you have to make sure that you haven't any update available here, or if you have any update you must have to install the updates. So after that, if you're still having the same issue, so you have to make sure that you have a stable internet connection, or you have to briefly enable your airplane mode and then disable it after 5 or 10 seconds. It will make a quick refresh into your network settings, and once you have that you have to try to recheck if your problem is solved or not. You can see that I have the Teams option here, but if you're still having the same issues, now what you have to do, you have to open up your settings, then go for general, go for iPhone storage, and look for Instagram. Simply select that app, then tap on offload app, then tap on offload app again, and once you have that you'll get the reinstall application option here. You must have to tap on it, and it will reinstall your Instagram app if there will be any bug in your Instagram app. Though in this process that will be fixed, and after that you can easily use your Instagram without an issue. So that's how you can easily fix the Instagram chat themes option not showing. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.